Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. A little different of a vlog for you today.
Yes, a little bit different.
We stopped here at the Brazilian market.
Armazém X. That's the name of it, Armazém X.
And Roberta, of course, from Brazil. This is actually located off 192.
Right close to, if you're familiar,
Heading into Claremont.
And Davenport.
Down that way, you'd be heading back towards Kissimmee.
Yeah.
Roberta, what did we get? We got a few different snacks. We're heading to a resort.
Yeah.
So surprised when we get there what resort. Also, this market, it's one of my favorite markets. It's got all the good stuff.
Yeah.
And it's going to be expanding here. So I can't wait to show you guys some of the different snacks we got. And it's going to be a lot of fun because Roberta's going to be leading this vlog for us today. So come on and check it out. All right, guys, we're here. We're at the resort. Oh, by the way, we're staying at Dockside Resort here over at Universal. This is a separate vlog from everything else going on today. This is a pure Brazilian snack vlog.
The bread got squished.
The bread got squished, but Roberta.
Yeah.
What kind of bread do we have here?
So in Portuguese, we call French bread. That's what we call. Pão francês, we call that.
How do you say?
Pão francês, like French bread. It's crunchy. This one is a little bit more. It's crunchy outside, but when you open inside, I'm just gonna open here. It's very like. This is the best part.
Look at Jake. He's helping himself. He's building a whole plate over here. Oh, look at that bread. Ooh, yeah. Look at that.
I miss that.
And we also, Jake is getting right into it. Of course, Roberta, you can find this in the United States, but this is very traditional. Mortadella.
Mortadella.
Very traditional in Brazil to have with bread. Jake's already eating. We got these snacks. What are these, Roberta?
Tamoras. It's like you call gummies.
Yeah.
Kind of gummies. This one is like sour.
And these are all Brazilian snacks that you would find in Brazil, like if you went to, you know, a Wawa or, you know, 7-Eleven. These would be the kind of snacks you would find. Yeah. These are my favorites when I remember. You always try to find the one with the reds.
Yeah.
And we did get a good one with reds.
There's like snacks, different flavors.
Different snacks. We're going to try everything. We're gonna try everything. So
and Guaraná, which method I
already opened one. Let me see one, Roberta.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do my review of Guaraná here. I couldn't wait. I had to open one.
Just sit right here.
Yeah. So now Guaraná is made with pure cane sugar.
Used to.
Well, the traditional one from Brazil, which this one is. We checked our labels. This one is from
sugar. Yeah.
Brazil. The market we went to, everything in that market is directly imported from Brazil. So it's not made here and then passed over as a Guaraná soda from Brazil that was made in the United States. This one directly from Brazil. This isn't my favorite brand, by the way.
And by the way, let me just explain quick. So in Portuguese, it does say sugar.
Yeah, why don't you?
In Portuguese, it does say sugar. And then in English, it says high fructose corn syrup. So for me, it's very hard to like understand, but in Portuguese it's actually straight up sugar,
and it is made with sugar in Brazil. So I think
that tastes much better.
Yeah, I mean, and you can tell that the translation, because it's made in Brazil, when it comes here, they translating their ingredients to English. It is not corn syrup.
Yeah, this one I don't remember trying, but this is like our cream cheese in Brazil. And by the way, I wish America would do this. This is how we open things in Brazil.
Show us, Roberta.
So you just peel this part in here from the top. And the air comes out.
Oh, yeah. See, this is what I love about Brazil. It's just simple.
Yeah.
Now, this is a cheese. There is a cheese I like a little better. It's called catupiry.
It's catupiry. It's a brand, actually.
Is this a type of catupiry cheese?
Yeah, it's the same way, but it's just like a different brand.
There is one, though, that is called catupiry. That's the best one. Yeah. We have some other snacks we're going to try, but let's set up.
Yeah.
And let's make a little bit of a sandwich and let's try some. So Jake, he's got just plain bread. He couldn't wait. Jake, how's the bread?
It's kind of like, it's not necessarily like crunchy on the outside, but it's It's hard to describe, but on the inside it's nice and soft and everything. It's kind of like Panera bread.
Panera bread.
Yeah, comparing it to a Panera bread.
Yeah.
Okay. And how about the candies? You did have a few of these candies.
I mean, it's okay. I like the outside texture of it, but I don't really like the actual flavor.
Yeah,
too much.
let me show, because the outside is just like a berry. It's got the little beads on it, and it's like what a berry would be, but they're sugary. They're candies. And bread, I will tell you this: Jake loves his bread, but he does like another bread a little better, pain de quiche.
Yeah.
Those are the small little round cheese breads. We didn't get those today. Oh, Roberta made me one. So I have the mortadella. I have the cheese.
Yeah.
Is this cheese called what now? It's
Requeijão.
Requeijão,
Right here.
Okay. But Roberta, there's a little secret about this cheese. But the container, we'll talk about that out. Not just that you get to pull the top off and it comes off easy, but Roberta's getting in hers. Let's see.
I miss it.
You miss it?
Mm-hmm.
Now, Roberta, if we were in Brazil right now, let's talk about the market we got it from. What's the name of the market again? Give them a shout out.
Armazém X.
On 192 Claremont.
Yeah.
If we were at May's house in Brazil having
Yeah.
our little lunch, I mean, is it right there? Is it like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so this is like, yeah, authentic, like good. Let me try it. I'm not too crazy about that cheese, but I do love the mortadella. I do love the bread. Roberta, you can see Roberta loves cheese. This thing's loaded with cheese, but you know what? It tastes so good.
Try that. That one is bacon.
And then, of course, I just love the mortadella, just like this. Honestly, I have no idea what mortadella is. I don't know if it's beef, pork. I have no idea, but I love it. And Roberta probably does. What is it, Roberta? Do you know? It's mortadella.
Yeah.
More snacks. So
This one here, it's cheese. Here, Jake. Let's do a reaction of Jake having the cheese one. This is the cheese, this is the bacon.
hang on, let me get that camera. Point a little, yeah, Roberta, you get
guys
that.
can eat. Because I already know all of them, so.
I feel it's like it's not too overpowering, but it's like a short flavor.
Short flavor.
And I can taste basically everything, the cheese and the bacon.
That's the bacon one, the round one.
The round one is the bacon.
This is the cheese
There's a
one.
little bit of cheese in there too.
On the bacon?
Yeah.
All right, well, that's what it says. I think I was going to talk about the taste of this. Well, it's made from Guaraná berries, which is a natural berry that is, I should say, naturally caffeinated, kind of an energy berry that is found in Brazil. And the taste is really hard to explain. I mean, I don't even know what I could compare it to, Jake. Do you?
Me neither.
It's very distinctive. It's its own taste. It's very sweet. But I will tell you, any friend here in the United States I've given this to says, give me more of it. They love it. All right, I'm going to try. Let me try the bacon one. We've had these before. But these, you can't just eat one of them. You need a good 4. They're light. They're nice and light. Not a ton of bacon flavor.
No. I remember it to be more flavory. Jake is right. It's very light.
Very light, but a nice light snack. Like maybe if you're watching a little TV in the afternoon and you just want something light. Now let's try the cheese. They're both the same brand. I think I prefer the cheese. But you know what we're gonna do right now? We're gonna kind of finish what we have. So far, everything's been really good.
And then we have the candies.
And then, you know, we're gonna come back. We have, well, you know what? Let's do one of these. If my translation is correct, cebola is onion.
Onion.
The picture didn't help me at all, by the way. I am learning much more Portuguese. Yeah, let's try a couple of those. Yeah, some onion there. Roberta, onion for you. Let's try. I'm gonna throw a couple onion down.
Tastes like garlic.
Garlic. I think it has more flavor than
This one has the most flavor.
more flavor than the other
Yeah.
two.
This one definitely has the most flavor. I thought that we had gotten one more because they were.
No, we got the
Oh, yeah,
bacon
two
twice,
bacon.
and yeah.
No, those are my favorite. The onion definitely my favorite. You can mix them up and throw them down. Interesting. Kind of just Brazilian snacks, but we're gonna try this, and then we're gonna try
The candies.
the sours,
Just already open, but he didn't eat that.
and my favorite. But we're gonna finish this up first. Be right back. So this one, the onion one. Just wanted to show you when you look at it, where you can see how it was imported into our country. Here is there's a sticker in English. That's a sticker. If you look at it, it's just stuck on there. So they just stick that on, and then everywhere else is all in Portuguese. So it's pretty neat.
Also, by the way, you can buy other stuff too.
Very cool.
Like my nail polish too, I get from Brazil.
PepsiCo. And yes, there's lots. You know, when you're in Brazil, when you're in Brazil, like we're at Copacabana Beach, there's Pepsi trucks, there's Coca-Cola truck, yeah, all of those things you can get while you're there. And this, I guess, would be part of the corporation in Brazil that distributes that. It does say PepsiCo. I would think that's Pepsi. Not exactly sure, but that's pretty neat. Just want to show you that. But we're gonna get into one of my favorite. Roberta, gourmets? Is that how you say? These are awesome.
Gourmets.
Huh?
Gourmets.
Gourmets. We bought like a big case of these home, and I was giving them to people at work, and they were like, "Can I have another one? Can I have another? Give me another one." They're awesome. And this
That's one of my favorites.
is a nice, yeah, I was gonna say it's a nice little traditional snack.
Yeah, it's peanuts, sweet peanuts.
Sweet
Wow.
peanuts.
They are
How do you say it, Roberta?
paçoquinha.
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 Hey, I didn't try one of these. While you're starting to get that, I didn't try one of these.
Yeah, Jake stop it. Let's get a bowl. Yeah.
Let me try one of these. Oh, I'm pointing at Roberta the whole time. Sorry, let me try one of the red. Can you hear it? Remember those little balls on them? They're a little crunchy sweeties. Gummies, sour, right? These are called
Minhocas. But this ones are sour.
They're a lot less sour than I expected it to be.
much less sour than expected.
It's hard to describe, but it feels like you're biting into like soft rubber. I mean, it tastes good.
Let me try one.
I like it.
You're right. It's more sugary than soury. Yeah.
Yeah.
They have a nice texture to them.
What about this one?
I had it.
How was it?
Good, Roberta was talking about these. I like these. These right now are my favorite ones for the snacks, but saving this to the end. Yeah, no, they're good. They're not like like Sour Patch Kids. Sour Patch Kids are way more sour than these. These are enjoyable, where you can actually eat it and you're not like.
Let me open that paçoquinha.
Yeah, let's open. Paçoquinho.
Paçoquinha.
Close. Not really. These, as Roberta said, I remember the last time we got these, they come in as containers, but now they're individually wrapped, which
Yeah.
is kind of cool. So
Jake,
you
you want
can,
one? You don't want to try?
Jake doesn't want to try it. They're like a peanut butter.
What did you say, Jake? It looks like what?
Looks like dog food.
Jake said it looks like dog food. I've had these. They're fine. They're just okay. But you're saying like a sweet peanut, right?
Yeah.
They taste like this. The texture is a little different, but they taste like the inside of a Reese's Pieces cup. But the texture is just a little bit more. It's a little bit more fine. Like it's not as dense.
It's supposed to like kind of like falls apart.
Yes, exactly.
Because it's like if you see, like just put it on top of here, like right here. If you grab it, right here, kind of like falls apart. So it's all together, but they're supposed to be like they're like powdery.
Now that everybody put their hands in my... Think that's going to stop Medling World? Guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. I hope you're enjoying this cultural snack time. Yeah, like I said, to me, it's the inside of a Reese's Pieces with a different, consistency. Well, good. Definitely good.
Yeah, your favorite.
We're all going to try these. Let's do it. Now that the nice father and husband that I am... Oh, there's no purple ones in this one. Damn. I'm going to let everybody pick a color they want. Red. Roberta?
Oh.
Still good.
I get the green because nobody likes the green.
And I'll try orange.
Jake did not like that.
What? Are you kidding me?
Tastes like cough drops.
These are the best things ever. Unless there's something wrong with them. Oh, there's nothing wrong. Maybe?
Jake's like, no.
How do you like that? Try the red one. Try the red one.
I love them. They're the best. Roberta,
Yeah,
did you try yours?
yeah.
Let me see.
I missed it. Like this, we grow up with this.
Aren't they awesome, man? What can you compare them to in the United States, though?
The thing is, like the gummy, but they're like harder, a little bit harder
Yeah.
gummy than the other ones, like in America. But that's sugary.
They're not like gumdrops. I know you're looking at it and saying, is it like a gumdrop? The consistency, these are...
That's harder.
Yeah, they're hard.
And plus,
They're soft, but they're harder.
it's not as sweet as the
tried
ones you're
green.
finding here.
No.
That
Green's good. I actually like the green. The green was good. Think we tried everything? We've had some protein. We've had some carbs. We've had some sugar. Not all that bad. Guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. I hope you enjoyed our snack time, Brazil snack time, hosted by Roberta.
I'll bet.
See ya!